Sean Evans here at Top 10 Real Estate Deals, and we're back again with another celebrity property on the market today, and we are looking at this beautiful La Quinta mansion that belongs to Sylvester Stallone. Up on the market at a listing price of $3.35 million, this property was used by Sylvester Stallone and his family as a vacation home. Now, Sylvester already owns homes in Los Angeles and Coconut Grove in Miami, so I'm guessing that this particular property is expendable. Situated in the home of the golfing community of the Madison Club, this seems like an absolute steal at $3.35 million. This 4,889 square foot, 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom property comes with these beautiful tall wooden beam ceilings, arched entryways, and they give off a really beautiful Mediterranean vibe. All the floors around the home are mostly hardwood and tile, and there's a dining room, a wine room, an outdoor kitchen, pool and spa. In addition to this wonderfully Caribbean style bedroom with a TV that comes up and out of the bed, and those lovely wooden sliding doors that open out onto this private terrace, giving you a look of the gardens and the mountains in the far distance there. Who wouldn't want to wake up to views like that every single morning? So just taking a trip outside here as we're heading towards the courtyard. The property itself does have an outdoor kitchen, an outdoor pool and a spa, and I absolutely love that courtyard. You could be in the rolling hills of Spain, you wouldn't have a clue that you're in California. It looks absolutely incredible. Look at all the foliage around the beautiful pool. It's definitely a Mediterranean vibe home, and Sylvester Stallone is putting this on the market for you to get today at $3.35 million. That is a steal if ever I saw one. Thank you very much for checking out the video, guys. Hit that subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.